Belly fat is one of the most stubborn areas to slim down, and if you've been trying to get rid of it for years without success, you're not alone. Many people work out regularly, try different diets, and still don't see the results they want. If that sounds familiar, it's likely you're making one or more of 3 common mistakes. But before we dive into those, let's first understand what belly fat actually is and why it's so hard to lose. Belly fat refers to the fat stored in your abdominal area. There are 2 main types. The first is subcutaneous fat, which sits just under your skin. The second is visceral fat, which surrounds your internal organs. Visceral fat is the more dangerous of the 2 because it's been linked to serious health issues like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and inflammation-related conditions. So what causes belly fat to build up in the first place? There are several common reasons. Number 1, a poor diet, especially one high in sugar and refined carbs. Number 2, a lack of physical activity. Number 3, high stress levels and elevated cortisol. Number 4, poor sleep quality or irregular sleep patterns. Number 5, genetics and hormonal imbalances. Most people are dealing with a combination of these factors, which is why belly fat is so persistent. Now that we know what we're dealing with, here are the 3 biggest mistakes people make when trying to lose belly fat, and what you should do instead. 1. Trying to burn it off with exercise alone. This is one of the most common traps. People think if they do enough crunches, run every day, or spend hours in the gym, the fat will disappear. But here's the reality: you can't out-exercise a poor diet. Exercise is incredibly important for your overall health. It boosts your metabolism, builds muscle, and improves mental well-being. But if you're still eating processed foods, sugary snacks, or consuming more calories than you burn, your body will continue storing fat, especially around your belly. Instead, focus on cleaning up your diet. Eat more whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Cut back on sugar and refined carbs, and make sure you're getting enough protein to support muscle growth and keep you full. Combine this with consistent exercise, and you'll start to see real progress. 2. Ignoring sleep and stress. Most people don't realize how much sleep and stress impact fat storage. When you don't get enough sleep, your hormone levels go out of balance. Cortisol, your body's main stress hormone, rises and signals your body to store fat, especially in your midsection. Chronic stress has the same effect. When your body constantly feels under pressure, it responds by holding on to fat as a survival mechanism. The solution? Prioritize rest and recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, and try winding down without screens before bed. Managing stress is equally important. Find a routine that helps you relax, whether that's walking in nature, practicing meditation, doing yoga, or simply breathing deeply. Reducing cortisol levels will help your body let go of excess fat. 3. Expecting quick results and giving up too soon. This is where many people lose momentum. They start a new workout or diet plan, and when the scale doesn't move after 2 or 3 weeks, they give up. But belly fat doesn't disappear overnight. Fat loss, especially in stubborn areas, takes time, and your body needs consistency to adapt and respond. Instead of chasing fast results, focus on long-term progress. Stick to your plan for at least 8 to 12 weeks before evaluating whether it's working. Track your progress with photos, measurements, and how your clothes fit, not just the scale. Remember, small consistent efforts lead to big changes over time. Stay patient, stay consistent, and the results will follow. Losing belly fat isn't about extreme diets, miracle workouts, or punishing yourself. It's about building better habits that support your health over time. Clean up your diet. Move your body regularly. Prioritize sleep. Manage stress. And most importantly, be consistent. Avoid these 3 mistakes, and you'll be on your way to a leaner, healthier you.